Hey everyone! Welcome back to today. We're diving into a crucial yet often overlooked component of your vehicle's engine, the PCV valve. If you've been noticing some unusual signs in your car, stick around as we explore the symptoms of a bad PCV valve. What is a PCV valve? First off, what exactly is a PCV valve? The PCV valve is part of your car's emission control system. It helps recycle gases from the crankcase back into the engine to be burned off, reducing emissions and improving efficiency. Common symptoms of a bad PCV valve. Now, let's get into the symptoms you might experience if your PCV valve is failing. Rough idle. If your engine is idling roughly or stalling, a faulty PCV valve could be the culprit. This happens because the valve can disrupt the air-fuel mixture. Increased oil consumption. Noticing that you're topping off your oil more often? A bad PCV valve can lead to increased oil consumption due to excessive blow-by gases. Engine misfires. If your engine is misfiring, it can often be traced back to an issue with the PCV system. A malfunctioning valve can cause an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. Oil leaks. Look out for oil leaks. If the PCV valve is clogged or malfunctioning, it can create excess pressure in the crankcase, leading to leaks. Check engine light. And of course, if your check engine light comes on, it's worth checking the PCV valve among other components. A diagnostic scan can point you in the right direction. Conclusion. So there you have it. If you notice any of these symptoms, it might be time to inspect your PCV valve. Remember, early detection can save you from bigger issues down the road. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive tips. Drive safe, and see you next time.